Sujata Khatua, a resident of Bhadrak town, has made it to the India Book of Records for writing songs in memory of her son who was killed in a road mishap. Sujata's son Soumitra Mohanty was in the final year of his MBBS. In a cruel joke of destiny, he was killed in a road accident in September last year. It was very difficult for Sujata to come to terms with her son's untimely death. While being immersed in sorrow, she started writing songs in the memory of her son. The theme of most of her songs is road safety and awareness. Soon she became famous in her locality for her poems. Now she has secured a place in the India Book of Records for writing songs on traffic rules awareness in memory of her deceased son.
जो दुर्घटना है तापरे मन भितरे जहाँ दुख शोक बा जो प्रश्न सब मत आंदोलित कला ताकू मु कागज कलम रे लिखिया पई चेष्टा कली से जो कथाटा अन्य मानक सहित शेयर करी हबनी ताकू मु भाबिली बाहर को आणले टिके भलो लागियो मते टिके आश्वस्त लागियो से तो विश्व ब्रह्मांडर मालिक आमे बहुत कथा बुझी पारुनी आम जीवन भितरे जहाँ भी किसी हठात हुए दुख समय रे आमे भाबुजे आम प्रति बहुत किसी अन्याय हो गला से सब बुझीबा तो संभव नुहे से सब प्रश्नर उत्तर मिलवा भी सहज नुहे जीवन काल भितरे तथापि तांको उपरे जदि दृढ़ विश्वास थिबो तांको उपरे भरोसा थिबो ताले आगो को जीवा पई गोटे रास्ता मिल जाए।